Right, so we're going to use the Gelosia method here to multiply, right? In this case, we've got a 2 by 1 grid because we want to multiply a 2-digit by a 1-digit number, all right? And you notice here 28, I've written 2 above one box, 8 above the next box. Going across and then going down, then I've written just the single 7 that's there. Notice as well we've got these sort of diagonal lines drawn, okay? Now what we do is we focus on each box, okay? It doesn't matter where you start actually, okay? You can start either side. Maybe we'll start here. So we're going to do 8 times 7 for this box here, okay? Now 8 times 7 of course is 56, right? And when you write your answer, you put the unit underneath the diagonal and the tens above the diagonal. So you've got 56, 6 units, 5 tens. That's how that breaks up there. Then when it comes to this box, you've got 2 above, 7 to the right. So 2 times 7 is 14, okay, 14. Now 14, you put the units here, so that means you've got 4 units, and of course you've got 1 10. So that's how you'd write that there. And then to sort of complete this, what you do then is you go along the diagonals, okay? You just sort of see the direction of these diagonals. So if you notice here, well, all you've got, the entry here is just the 6, isn't it? So I'm just going to write 6 here. But if you go along this diagonal here, okay, along this sort of diagonal, this direction these lines are going in, well, you've got 2 entries here. 5 and 4 is 9, okay, so you add them. And then the final diagonal is along here, okay? Well, of course, you've only got 1 entry, so you write 1 there, okay? So you get your answer, which is 196, okay? Now, sometimes it's useful in maths to check your calculations, check by estimating. So what I mean by that is we could take that number there, 28 times 7. Well, this estimated 28 could be, say, 30. 20 is close to 30, and we'll keep 7 as it is, okay? Because now I can actually work this out in my head quite quickly, okay? So with an estimate, you're meant to be able to work things out quickly in your head. And you can see here, look, well, 3 times 7 is 21. Add the 0 there, 210. Now this is only an estimate, right? It's not going to give you an exact answer because I've made this number slightly bigger, haven't I, than 28. But I've made it nice so that I can actually perform a calculation quickly in my head, and if you notice, then the answers are pretty close, aren't they? Okay, so when they're pretty close, you can then be justified, and you feel that probably your answer is correct because your estimation has come out very close.